Okay, so today I wanted to talk about this little timer device that you could plug into the wall. You could also get an extender. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's about a foot long. Yeah, and you plug this end into the wall. You plug this end directly into here, and that way you could actually put it on your side table next to your bed. And what I use this for is that I have a wireless charger that I plug into this, or you could plug in a USB hub into this, and then you could charge many devices. And what this is handy for is in the night, before I go to bed, I could put it on. I typically put it on 2 hours, and it would charge my phone for 2 hours and then switch off. I don't like to charge my devices continuously where they hit 100% and they keep charging, or they maintain 100% all night long. I believe it shortens the life of the battery. Um, if you look, that's kind of up for debate. Some people say it's fine. I think Samsung also says, it's their algorithms or whatever it is prevents it from, overcharging. But I decided to play it safe, and I bought this on Amazon. The part number is BNH60/SU107 from BN Link. I've used this for about 3 or 4 years, and I just purchased another one for somebody else. So I just thought I'd do a quick review on it. It works well, timer wise. I haven't had any issues with it. You could repeat, you could put on and off. So um, if you put on and off, it just stays on all the time. If you repeat, it goes back over whatever you set it at. And yeah, it works pretty well in my opinion. So I just wanted to give you a quick review of this device as a timer for charging equipment and for other things as well. I guess you could put in your side lamp, your bedside light, and just put it on a timer if you want. Um, yeah, I don't think you could run motors and so on with it. I haven't tried, and I don't think you can. Right, for indoor use only, resistive and general purpose. Tungsten and electronic ballast. All right, goes up to 15 amps, which is what a typical outlet would support. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So yeah, any questions, let me know.